This is all part of a journey of raising awareness about the plight of the whales and the dolphins. Our first stop's going to be SeaWorld. So today's it's a shark net action, or a ceremony to also acknowledge all the whales and the dolphins, the dugongs, the turtles that have been killed in these shark nets that are out here.
They can just swim underneath anyway. It's crazy.
Amazing situation going on here. We've got the hydrophone going on. Hear that? That's the sound of that southern right and the baby just over there. It's playing Didge and it's singing back in the same pitch.
That's you are gorgeous.
If we have this kind of experience, we can really enjoy whales instead of catching or eating. But it's just not enough understanding, I guess.
Today, all around Australia, they're doing a smoking ceremony to support the mob from Kimberley who are trying to stop the James Rice Point gas hub development from going ahead, which is also in a whale nursery.
And basically the entire Queensland coast is, if you like, under siege from the expansion of coal seam gas and coal. There seems to be development proposals all the way up and down the coast, which is contrary to the protection that we need on the Great Barrier Reef.
The amount of ships that are going to be travelling through the reef over the next 20 years is going to times by 4. We've made it out to the outer barrier reef, the Chevelle Reef, and it's just amazing to be right out here in the Great Barrier Reef that goes from nearly New South Wales border all the way right along the coast of Queensland. It's a massive reef system.